Welcome to my YouTube channel Neon Crackers for cracking IIT and NEET. So today I am here to give you one trick to find potential values. If suppose in the exam two equations are given with potential values and they are asking what is the potential of third equation, how to find. Actually it has a lengthy process to solve the question. It may take 3 to 4 minutes, but I will give how to solve within 10 seconds, right? So most of the conditions to find potential values options are like this. Suppose point 0.3 is there, A option, and another option is with negative sign. And if you make any wrong calci, then you can get that answer also 0.10, like suppose minus 1.0. So actually exact answer is suppose 0.3 is there, and if you make any wrong calci with negative sign or in sign change, then you can get this answer. Or calci mistakes if you do, and you can get either 1.0 or minus 1.0 like this. So you have to remember, you have to do exact calci with concept, then only you can get exact answer, either 0.3 or minus 0.3. Haribari you may do and you can get the magnitude that 0.3, 0.3, okay, but what is the sign? And that is important, right? So what I told you, if two equations are given, suppose Fe plus 3 to Fe plus 2, some potential value is given, let's suppose 0.5, and Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 1, here also some potential value is given, minus 0.0. Now what is the potential of Fe plus 1 to plus 3? What is the potential of Fe plus 1 to plus 3? Like this question, how to do? Without doing any that n1 e1 something value and del g, actually we have to do based on del g equation. So what is the del g naught equation? Minus n f e naught. So based on this equation we have to solve this question, but it takes time, right? I will give you one shortcut. So remember, if our final desired equation or final equation is sum of 1 plus 2, then the final potential is n3, means this is n, one category, this is second equation, and final equation is third one. So final equation potential value is I'm considering is E3. And now what is the equation? N1 E1 plus N2 E2 upon N3. If our desired equation or final equation is 1 minus 2, then we have to write N1 E1 minus N2 E2 upon N3. If our final equation is 2 minus 1, if you get 2 minus 1, then we can say that final equation. Then what is the E3 value? E3 equals to N2 E2 minus N1 E1 upon N3. Like we can find that shortcut. Now what is the given data here? Fe plus 3 to plus 2, one potential value, plus 2 to plus 1, one potential value. Then the question is about Fe plus 1 to plus 3. So first equation, consider this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So this is our final equation. So this is our final equation. How can you write the final equation here? Final equation equals to, how can you write here? Fe plus 1 should be reactant side and Fe plus 3 is product side. So we have to cancel Fe plus 2. Means if you write this reverse equation, so Fe plus comes reactant side. If you write this reaction also in reverse, so Fe plus 3 comes at product side. So overall our final equation is minus 1 minus 2, because we are interchanging this reaction and this reaction too. So overall equation is minus of 1 plus 2. Minus of 1 plus 2 is nothing but, so final potential is E3. Now minus of N1 E1 plus N2 E2 upon N3, right? What is N1? N1 is nothing but number of electrons in the first equation. N2 is the number of electrons in the second equation. N3 is the number of electrons in the third equation. So first equation plus 3 to plus 2 means it requires 1 electron, and plus 2 to plus 1 it requires also 1 electron, and plus 1 to plus 3, so here removal of 2 electrons, N1, N2, N3. So what is N1 value? 1, and potential value 0.5 plus what is the N2 value? 1, potential value, so minus 1.0, right, and upon N3 value how much, 2, so N3 equals to 2, and overall what is the value, minus 0.5 plus 0.5 by 2, so plus 25 plus 0.25. This is the answer. Our final equation, this equation potential value is 0.25. Like we have to find. This is our shortcut. Suppose another equation is there. Br4 minus 2, BrO3 minus E0 is given 1, and BrO3 minus 2, BrO minus is given, then E0 value is minus 0.8, now, so BrO4 minus 2, BrO, what is the potential value? So how to find this one? Final equation, how can you write the final equation? Sum of these two reactions, if you write sum of these two and BrO3 get cancelled each other, and we can get BrO4 at reactant side, BrO minus at product side. So final equation equals to equation 1 plus equation 2. So E3 equals to N1 E1 plus N2 E2 upon N3. So what is the N1 value? What is the bromine oxidation state here? Plus 7. What is the bromine oxidation state here? Plus 5. Plus 7 to plus 5. So 2 electrons. Next here, plus 5 to plus 1. So what is the oxidation state? What is the number of electrons changed? So 4 electrons. Here, plus 7 to plus 1. Total number of electrons are 6. So N1, N2, N3. What is the N1 value? 2. E1 value? 1. Plus. What is the N2 value? 4. E2 value? Minus 0.8. Upon. What is the N3 value? 6. So overall 2 minus 3.2 by 6. So minus 1.2 upon 6. So minus 0.2 is the potential for the desired equation. Minus 0.2 is the potential for the desired equation. Like this we have to find. It's a simple trick, or else we have to follow this one. It's a lengthy process. It takes 3 to 4 minutes nearly. And just based on final desired equation, how can you change the two equations, either 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1 or 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. After that, follow this trick. Okay. Thank you for